Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are opening a PR package that I got, and this is from Pop Beauty. So this is the box that arrived. Just look how gorgeous it is. I love all this like iridescent. So this is Kiss and Sip, and it says Pop Perfect Pout. So in this, these are all their liquid lipsticks. So in this there are 15 shades. They are paraben free and not tested on animals. So there are 6 new shades to go with the 3 core shades that they had, and these are the Permanent Pout liquid lipsticks. So this is inside the box. As you can see, oh, this is really hard to show. So as you can see, this is all the colours here, and then they actually gave 2 glasses, as the idea with these lipsticks is that they will not transfer to anything. When you drink, when you eat, they are going to stay on, which is why they're called Permanent Pout. Now I've actually tried one of these and it would not come off. Like, it literally has staying power that's just unbelievable. It just does not come off. I was eating, I was drinking, I then tried to get it off with my normal makeup remover and it would not budge. So if you're going to wear these, I would suggest removing with something oil based or something that removes waterproof mascara, as that is the only way I could get it off. They literally do not come off, but the shades are unbelievably gorgeous. So this is one of the glasses. They're just plastic and they just say Pop Beauty on, but I think that's a really cute little addition, especially to prove that they don't come off. Kiss proof, drink proof, basically everything proof. So these are all the shades here. Ooh, they're really noisy as well. So they're in this silver packaging which says Pop Beauty on the front, and to go along with that it's sort of got that pop art themed packaging on the front, so you can just see the colour there. Obviously it says what it is and the name of the colour is underneath. So these are the 3 which are their core range. These are the 3 they started with. So we have Poppy Pout, which is sort of an orangey coral kind of colour. Then there is Razzle Rose, which is actually the one I'm wearing right now, and it's my favourite out of all of these. And it's like a pinky, mauvey, nudie kind of colour. It's really hard to explain. I'm not very good at explaining colours. And then we have Oh My God Violet, which is purple. I just think that is a gorgeous colour. I don't know if it's something I would wear every day, but it is gorgeous. And then we have the 6 new shades. So we have Red Velvet, which is of course a bright red, and it's actually very, very wearable. I really like that colour. We have Berry Boost, which is, well, in the packaging it looks kind of like a darkish pink, but I have a feeling this is going to come out quite bright when I actually try it. We have Butter Babe, which is a nude colour. It's a little on the pinky side. We have Coral Crush, which looks quite red in the packaging, but I presume it's going to come out more of a corally orange kind of red. Pink Tutu, which is a baby pink. And last but not least is Plum Peach, which is a nudie pink peachy kind of colour. Now, as these are meant to be long wearing, they are matte, but they don't feel very drying. Obviously with all matte liquid lipsticks I always wear a lip balm underneath, so that sort of stops it drying, but they don't feel drying, they don't feel heavy, they actually feel quite comfortable. Like, I can't feel this now I've got it on, because they sort of have like a velvety type of texture to them, so that stops them from drying out your lips. I think your lips actually get more dry when you're trying to take it off than how they feel once you're wearing it. But for all these shades I am going to do a swatch on my arm, as obviously taking it on and off my lips, it's just going to kill, so there's no point. So I'm going to do them on my arm on the camera so you can see, and I will also put on the screen at the bottom here or here somewhere the name of the shade that I'm putting on. these are all the shades. As you can see, they're still quite shiny at the minute, so they haven't dried, but they dry down to a complete matte. I apologise that the swatches aren't brilliant. It's not very easy to do on the back of your arm when you can't actually see. But these ones at the top here, these are all the new shades, and these three at the bottom are the core original shades. I'm also going to insert an image now of my arm with all the names at the side, so you know which is which. And like I said, this one right here is the one I'm wearing right now, and I think that is definitely my favourite out of all of them. But I will say that some of them come out a little more thicker than some of them. Like this one here is still quite thin, so you might need a couple of coats of that. As is the purple at the bottom. But I don't think that's really an issue. You can just sort of add on another layer to get the full colour. But yeah, I actually really like these, and I love the staying power. So they are really good if you're out for an entire day, maybe you're doing day and then going out at night. You won't even have to touch up your lipstick whatsoever. They will literally just stay on and look exactly the same as when you first put it on, because they don't smudge either. Like I said, just make sure you use something that's full waterproof mascara or oil based, or both, to try and get it off, as it's not very easy. But I'd also like to say thank you so much to Pop Beauty for sending me these. I really like them. I'm going to use all of them. But yeah, I am very grateful to receive these. So you have to leave a comment for me down below, tell me which of these shades is your favourite, and also if you've tried Pop Beauty before, and maybe tell me what I should try next from them, as I know they do a few different bits of makeup. Oh, I also forgot to mention, they smell like sort of coconutty but chocolatey at the same time. It's really hard sort of, yes I am sniffing my arm. It's really hard to explain the smell. I suppose it's more of a coconutty shea butter type of smell. So if it does have shea butter in, that's still going to make it moisturising, which is really good. I think that's it, so I'm going to stop chatting right here. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another. Bye!